Still using the free version of CapCut and wondering what you're missing? Here's how to unlock CapCut Pro features and seriously level up your videos. CapCut Pro isn't just about removing watermarks. Want to add cinematic effects with just one click? Or use premium stock videos and music without worrying about copyright? Pro gives you all that, plus 4K exporting, background removal, motion tracking, and more. You'll get access to premium effects, transitions, fonts, overlays, and tons of advanced tools that will save you hours of editing time. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or just want to edit like a pro, this upgrade is totally worth it. You'll save time, look more professional, and unlock creative tools that most free editors just don't offer. Want to test it out? Upgrade to CapCut Pro using the link below and unlock your full creative potential today. It's fast, affordable, and you'll never want to go back to the free version. Editing is easier when your tools works for you. Go pro today and see the difference.